Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volkswagen Touareg's bonnet. First, you need to locate the interior release lever. This is typically found in the driver's footwell, often positioned near the door sill or beneath the dashboard. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct pop sound as the primary bonnet latch disengages, allowing the bonnet to slightly lift a few centimeters. Once the primary latch is released, proceed to the front of your vehicle. The bonnet will be slightly ajar, but it's still held securely by a secondary safety latch. This crucial mechanism is located directly under the bonnet, precisely centered with the iconic Volkswagen badge on the grille. You'll need to carefully reach underneath the edge of the bonnet to find this important safety catch. With your hand, carefully reach into the gap created under the bonnet, directly above the emblem. You will feel a small lever or catch. Gently push or pull this lever to one side. The exact direction can vary slightly by specific Touareg model, but it's usually a simple, intuitive movement. This action will fully disengage the secondary safety latch, allowing you to lift the bonnet completely upwards. Now that both latches are released, you can confidently lift the bonnet upwards. Your Volkswagen Touareg utilizes robust gas struts to hold the bonnet open, eliminating the need for a separate manual prop rod. Simply lift it fully, and the two struts will smoothly engage, keeping the bonnet securely in the wide open position for convenient access to the engine bay. You are all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.